Hey everyone, this is Jan, and you're watching my daily indie game dev, where I update you every day on the going-ons in my little top-down adventure game. As you can see here before you, yesterday we got to work on the branching dialogue and changing up the animations, both of the character in the game and the character profile next to the dialogue. And I thought, well, what am I going to do today? The next up is part of the quest is to meet someone else. So I'd have to make new profile, new character animations, new dialogue, put that all in. But actually, since that feels like more of the same, and I want to mix it up just a little bit, I think what we need is to check if our save system is still working the way we think it does, because it's been a while. And so let me just, there's the animated dialogue system that we take advantage of, the camera system, profile system attached to the camera, the exit entrance, that's the, and I deleted it, and it is, what if I just type save? No, this thing here, what's this? What is this? Checkpoint. I mean, who would name such a thing checkpoint, right? Alright. Found it. I think it comes with like a flashing light or something. Okay, hold down shift. And let's put that in the level to play with for a second. Put this guy here. Got him. Got a coin. Very nice. Was that actually... Okay, I don't know if you can hear the sound effect, but it's definitely playing. Which means we just go down here. How can I see whether it's saved? Quit game. Yes. Runtime error. Well, we got something going. Found the save point in the blueprints somewhere, hidden, tucked away. Oh, it's in the demo. That's why I couldn't find it. I actually found it doing a search for it. Then we are going to make some modifications, and we're just going to delete all this, give this a different color to differentiate. Now we go into the viewport, and we're going to start deleting these things that we don't need. I'm going to keep this one just for visual reference for now, until we replace it with something like a sprite. Okay, the sphere should be, so it shows up, the reason it shows up black is that there's actually no light in this level, and all this is like unlit, I believe. Unlit. So it always shows up. It doesn't require light to bounce off it in order for you to see it, but this does. So let's go to the black hole. That doesn't show the saving game. Just been tinkering along. Today, this is my save circle. Did some more testing with what is saved, what I have in the game. I know I can create more savable objects, but the conversation, the quest box as well is saved. Then tweaking the positioning of where exactly the position of the player is being saved, so that it does trigger the camera box, so that when you load it, you're not off screen somewhere like I was. Now to go into my version 2 default route, add why in the world is Unreal, it has never actually done this. Why is it, okay, now it's here showing up on the second monitor. Anyway, that is oh, it actually already gives me the last one. No. Flipbook, save circle. We need to go into the viewports. We need to make sure that this one goes. I need to change what it responds to, because clearly when I'm over here, it's already touching the sphere in the center of that circle, and I think it's because it responds to everything. So if I go here, go to the event graph, I could also make it a choice. So I could also make it a NPC you can talk to, and then save, yes, no. So you actually get the choice. But we gotta go. We haven't even begun creating the lady character yet for the second part of the quest. but that's Wednesday, 17th of June 2026. Thank you for watching. If you like following along, if you like watching a game come together, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe. This game is not yet on Steam, it's not yet available anywhere in the wish list, but that is coming, so stay tuned.